Hello everyone, I am here to present a speech on health and fitness on the occasion of National Sports Day. National Sports Day is observed on 29th August every year, celebrating the birthday of legendary hockey Olympian Major Dhyanchand Singh. This day is also known as the Rshtriya Khel Diwas, which was first inducted in the year 2012. The sole reason behind this celebration lies in campaigning the spirit of sportsmanship and the importance of health and fitness in our daily life. The very known two terms to us are the word health and fitness. Many times we tell or use these words whenever we say phrases like health is wealth and fitness is the key. What does the word health really mean? It implies the idea of being well. A healthy and fit person is the one when he or she can function well physically as well as mentally. Proper health and fitness do not depend on our own but also on our physical environment and the quality of food intake. Importance. Health and fitness is the most important aspect of our life. There is nothing more important than healthy for any human being. When we are healthy and fit, we are able to enjoy our life well. We can talk to our near and dear one. We can laugh, smile, travel, enjoy food and sleep well. But when our health and fitness is not up to the mark, we are unable to do anything properly and stay behind. We cannot enjoy eating, watching sports or movies. Our mood always remains negative and we are unable to talk nicely with our near and dear or even sleep properly. Our health and fitness are more valued than our wealth. In fact, our elders were always being focused on the health and fitness instead of being wealthy. They treasure it like wealth to maintain good health and fitness at its best all the time. We need to take care of hygiene and sanitation around us. We must eat a healthy and complete diet. We must eat vegetables, milk, egg, etc. Everyone should make a diet chart and ensure that we take a sufficient amount of carbohydrates, proteins, minerals and vitamins. Apart from eating, we must maintain cleanliness in our room, house and nearby surroundings. Roots affecting health and fitness. Well, there are many factors that are responsible for the staggering health and fitness graph. But the major reason is the personal habit and living style of people. A human body requires 20 grams fat per day. The consumption of just a regular pizza adds 10 grams of fat to the human body. A Whopper burger blesses you with 13 gram fat and 100 gram French fries. Promote 15 gram fat to your body. All the junk foods are destroying people's health and fitness these days. Due to the fast-paced life, people are concerned about filling their stomachs rather than considering what they are eating and its effect on their health and body. Health and fitness tips. As we know that health and fitness play an important role in our overall well-being, so it should try for a good balance between mind, body and soul. I have some suggested activities to maintain proper health and fitness. One can start playing games and sports. An active body can metabolize well and so keep us in good shape. Yoga has got a lot of health and fitness benefits such as flexibility, burn calories, increase blood flow, boost immunity, etc. Proper food selection leads to eating healthy. The intake of vitamins found in vegetables and fruits, protein found in whole grains and lean meat keeps us healthy. Eat foods that have less oil are good to control cholesterol levels. avoid smoking and drinking as they affect our sleep, which is important for the body to remain healthy and in good shape. Exercising improves the general health of the body. One must take at least 30 minutes a day to do some exercise or work. In the pursuit of academic success, children sometimes need a break from the classroom and an opportunity to release pent-up energy. While academic success is no small feat, students who participate in at least one extracurricular physical activity are proven to reap more benefits than those who do not exercise regularly. Engaging in sports activities each week helps improve students' focus on schoolwork as well as help them lead happier, healthier lives. Here are 4 reasons why students should be involved in structured after-school physical activities. Number 1, academic performance. Studies show that students involved in athletic programs maintain a higher GPA and achieve higher test score. Provides a list of recent studies for improving the correlation between academic success and physical fitness growth. Number 2, fitness habits. Sports help students develop coordination and teaches them how to care for their bodies through proper stretching and the development of fundamental mechanics. Participating in athletics and at an early age instills physical fitness habits that carry over into adulthood, helping to avoid health problems. Number 3, mental and emotional benefits. Athletics have great physical benefits but also help children to improve mentally and emotionally. While the body exercise, the brain releases endorphins. From a biological standpoint alone, students who are physically active are happier and have a constructive outlet through which to relieve stress. Number 4, development of specific skills. Students are able to accumulate a whole host of skills and abilities. Leadership, teamwork, confidence, and self-reliance are the big character focuses. Critical thinking is developed on the playing field as athletes need to quickly solve problems created by their opponents. Time management skill necessary in adulthood is also brought into play as children learn to balance their time between schoolwork, sports, and family life. Even if our child is not interested in team sports, there are plenty of less intense solitary options. Activities such as swimming, gymnastics, track, martial arts, yoga, and golf provide physical benefits and allow students to engage in an extracurricular activity where they can advance at their own pace. Our Performance Fit program is an ideal way to increase physical fitness in students while improving their academic performance. Our goal Fit is to see healthier and happier. Students reach higher potentials in academic and personal growth. Conclusion. As told by Dalai Lama, happiness is the highest form of health. Happiness will come only when we will be healthy and fit. But today, we live in a world where we value things more than people, work more than family, food more than health, and status more than life. We rush after money and social status and we forget about our health. What's the value of life if we don't live healthy and fit? This absurd attitude has ruined our lives and it will continue to do so unless we open up our eyes and see the reality. Thanks for watching. That's all for the today. I will come again with another video. Till then, watch it, like it and share it. Thank you.